Hello. On so many occasions, I see people posting about monetization, how much YouTube has paid them for the first time. And I'm Teacher Peter, sharing my journey as a teacher and at the same time as a YouTuber. As a teacher on YouTube, we have a channel called Teachers TV Africa, and we started it in 2021. And the main objective of that channel was to support educators and schools. And with that, we wanted to start a channel or a program on TV, and most of the TV stations turned down our request because we wanted to start doing educative content on TV, and they refused. So in our 4 years time, we have had over 5,000 subscribers, and we have over 7,000 hours watch time. Yes, public watch time. And we have made over 498 videos that have garnered over 25,000 views. And initially we used to record our videos using the phone. I also went to the US. I bought a camera, I brought a drone and other equipment, at least to improve on our outlook, because people would say, if you want your YouTube videos to go viral, you need this, you need that, you need that. And I think our investment has been over 10,000 US dollars in the past 4 years in camera equipment, employment, and also salary for that person who has been working in that department. And with all that, we have been doing all this with passion, because our main objective wasn't monetization, but at least to support education, support educators. We have made so many friends, and we have learned a lot of things along the way. But would you like to know about our monetization status? With all that, all the 5,000 subscribers, the 7,000 watch hours, and all these videos, and all these views, and this investment, if it comes to monetization, I would say we are not monetized. So I'm not here to make a video on how much YouTube paid me. I feel excited whenever I see people watching, sharing such videos, but that's not the case with us. The case with us is at least to appreciate all the 5,000 subscribers who have who have liked our content for the past 4 years. It simply means that each year we are getting over 1,200 subscribers, which is an amazing thing to us. And the 7,000 watch hours, that is the currency that we have got from all those loyal, amazing fans. And I would like to share with you some of the mistakes that we have committed, and I believe they haven't made us to monetize up to now. Right now, I would like to share with you our watch hours is still at 2,259. Yes, the one that we have. Why not 7,000, the one that I've shown you? Because most of those watch hours, after a year, YouTube takes each day. It keeps reducing those watch hours. And I would say we used to make these videos using the phone, and one of our most viral video was shot using a phone, and it got over 10,000K. But that video was not about education or the normal education. It was about buying shares from MTN, though we are a channel that works in educative content. One of the mistakes that I would like to share with you, that I wouldn't like any person to do who is a YouTuber who is beginning YouTube, is don't make a mistake of not knowing your niche. For us, we have been in education, and we do everything in education. We share workshops, we share teaching strategies, we share movies, we share so many things. So I believe with that, we have confused the algorithm. And who is the algorithm? We have confused the people who watch our content, because they don't know what are these people doing. Yes, and others who come on the channel, others come for their own personal objective. If a person watches something that they've liked, you might find that the next thing that you post, they'll not like it. So if you want to get monetized very fast, kindly stay consistent. Don't be like us. Just get one niche and stick to it. And that's why when you look at our second channel of the Rika Rhymes and Vibes, which is also on YouTube, it is growing very fast compared to this, because for it, it's purely on reading and rhymes. So you find that its growth, it's very high compared to this. And if at least you have learned something about our journey, you can hit the subscribe button or become a follower. Now, the second thing, people shouldn't lie that it is all about equipment. We have all the equipment. It's not all about the equipment. Just be simple. Just be simple and natural. As long as you have a good camera, it can be a phone. Our most trending videos were shot using a phone or recorded using a phone. So it is okay. As long as your content is good, as long as you're solving a problem, it is well, people will watch your content. Then there are, I would say, areas that are highly saturated, like the education sector. So many people are making videos about education. And people who know and who don't know. And in most cases, if you are looking at the sector, now if you look at the education sector, people who watch are majorly teachers, parents, and schools. Now, and the parents who watch are also those intentional parents. So it's not a niche whereby people watch a lot of content compared to other niches like entertainment. So with that, we have struggled to get the 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. Yes, but we believe we shall get there one day. And we believe that as long as, even if you're not monetized, but as long as you are giving value to the people who watch your content, and as long as they're getting satisfaction, that is the best that you can give the world and the people. So that is our humble journey from 2021. And whenever you do what you do out of passion, passion will surely reward you. Passion will reward you. And don't think it's all about the best camera. All that you need is just good audio, good lighting, and you just press the record. And then also learn how to optimize your videos. Give them the right titles, the right thumbnail, and be consistent. If you're posting about food, post about food. And be more creative while posting about food. So what will make a person watch this video and be interested with the next video? So that is our journey. This is my advice if you want to be monetized in 1 year than being Teacher Pete and Teachers TV Africa. First and foremost, find a niche. And a niche is something that you can do better than other people. Now, if you want to get monetized very fast, don't focus on creating videos out of passion alone, but also look at creating videos that people search for and that people watch for a long time. Yes, because one thing which I've seen with educative, like school videos, people don't give them a lot of time. Why? They think that that is the work of the teachers. So even parents don't have time for them. So many people don't have a lot of time for them, but at least the same people can have time for other content. Then at least try to get a good camera, just a good camera, and stay consistent. Be very consistent. I remember there's a time when we stopped being consistent and we stopped sharing for some good months. And at that time, our watch time was even in 3,000, and then it dropped. And by that time, we didn't even know things of watch time because we were doing YouTube because we loved it, and that's the easiest way that we saw to reach the people. And it has also enabled us to reach so many people all over the world. So be consistent. Then another thing, build a community. Just build a community of people who believe in what you do. Yes. And then give it time. Give it time. And then while doing it, don't do it for the monetization. Do it for value. Let all what you're sharing, or let all that you share on YouTube be something that adds value in people's lives, not just for the sake of monetization. And then, above all, beside monetization, try to see that your content can enable you earn in other ways. For us, our content, we have seen so many people have watched our videos, and they've reached out to us and said, wow, we saw this, and we'd like you to come in our school and conduct a training. And again, with that, we have been able to get more money that we couldn't even have go through monetization. So it's also a win-win. We might not have been monetized, but at least there are so many schools that have seen what you do and organizations that they have invited us. And I've also been able to get so many opportunities because of the YouTube channel. Because when people look at it, it acts like a website whereby people say, okay, these people are genuine. So whatever you're doing, do it with the spirit of seeing that it adds value. The monetization, let it come last. Because even at the end of the day, if you don't have millions and millions of views, you won't make a lot of money out of the monetization. But at least you can make a lot of money and you can get so many opportunities if you add value, and the people who need that value can look for you and they will pay for the value. We're not here to share the cash, yes, that we have received from YouTube, but we are here to share our simple and realistic experience. Thank you for watching and thank you for following. Anyway, if you like to support us, hit 4,000 watch out. Otherwise, you can share this video, you can like and comment and tell a friend about this. Thank you very much, and don't forget to share your comment in the comment section. We love you.